Many people are asking me how can I check my user account age and how can I distribute the reward according the age and his information. So here you can see I retrieve user some information and I calculate that user uh, how long that user is created his Telegram account and I give him a reward. So if you want to learn that functionality, so watch that entire video so I can teach you. So stay continue. So for calculating Telegram is, first of all, what you need to do, you need to get your Telegram account ID. Now you can tell me, buddy, why I need my Telegram account ID? Because Telegram are actually not provide anything for calculating the account creation date or how long I create my account. Telegram are not provide any time stamp or this kind of anything. So we need to calculate that, and that is properly calculation, nothing more. That can be right or that can be wrong. Okay, but maximum bot are such as cat, dog, hamster, they use that same technique. So first of all, I try to get my Telegram account ID. So for getting the ID, I create a variable which is ID, and here I call web app that come from TWA dev SDK, then int data unsafe, then there have something like user, and user have a ID. Okay, so now I want to show that ID here. So user ID is that ID. Okay, let me run that app on development mode. Okay, so you can see there have nothing as user ID. So why I am not getting any user ID? I need to I need to find out that. So int data unsafe. Actually I am not using any telegram client, so that an obvious thing I am not get any ID. So instead I am using a mock data. That's why I am trying to find out is it give me any ID or this kind of something. So if I go here, there is purple undefined. Okay, that means I need to do a port forwarding and I need to run that app on Telegram. Okay, let's do that. Okay, here you can see the port is forwarding and I need to mark that visibility is public. Then every time the forwarded address is same, you can see the same address. If I click here, that is running. I also open that dev tool. So that is loading because you know that is forwarding. Okay, now that is the user ID. Okay, 5061431629. so that is a user ID, and I create that account more than 2 years. So now I ask the same question to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT tells me some interesting thing, which is I need to use a reference account ID and a reference account creation date, and that something like a function our ChatGPT give me, which is this thing. Okay, estimate Telegram is, and if I pass here my ID, okay, ID as number, then I can get that thing. But okay, so if I open my console log here or dev tool, you can see that give me your account is approximately 2-year old. Yeah, and that is true. I created that account is more than 2 years ago. So what that function actually doing? So that function is taking a reference ID, and that account is created on 2020, and ID growth per year, that is estimate growth rate of ID per year. So that is a calculation, and estimate year, so that estimate how much how long, of course of that calculate that ID, so that estimate how long year growing since today. So that is give me age. So There is really a cool calculation that can be right or that can be wrong, but Telegram is not give us Telegram are not provide developer some private information. That should be a private thing. When I create my Telegram account, I cannot retrieve that. And most board such as cat, dog, hamster, they are do according that same function and functionality. In our next video, or I can show you that this video, how can we distribute the reward according our this is. Okay, so we can make a function. Okay, we can, okay, that can be a year. Okay, I create a array that is a coin. So here I take several param. So something like those are create account since last 1 year, he will be get 1000 coin. Okay, 1000 coin. Those are create more than 1 year, that should be 2 year, he get 2000. Those are create 3 year 3000, 4 year 4000, and that can be more and more. Okay, up to 10 or 15 year. So okay, now here I add something like constant rewards. So here I just simply call the coin, and here in coin are looking something like a 0 or position, so the position is the age. Okay, so here I'm getting the age, and also I add one more thing, which is another console log. So console log reward. Okay, if I make this kind of something, okay, reward is reward. Okay, rewards. So now if I open the console log, you can see reward is 3000, because there is the 0 number position, there is 1 number, and there is 2 number, and my account age is 2 year. So I will be get 3000 point. Now here you can do a API call for inform the database that user is created 2 year ago. So give add the reward according the age to that user account. So that's how actually that is work. So if you're looking that entire system code, you can get that code on this video description box. Please check it out, and thanks for watching that entire video. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe that channel. If you're looking any custom board or any app website, you can contact me on my Telegram, Fiverr, or any other platform, so I can build that for you on very cheap price. Thank you.